trips and shit. Be like, sis, I'm finna come scoop you up. Get ready. Oh, yeah. I've been seeing Teslas like crazy. Fucking with it. So we in the whip. I got my brother with me. He about to test drive it. I got my sister with me. She gonna test drive it.
Can you come all the way back? Do it come all the way back? That's as far as it goes? That's still wrong.
I had to bring my brother and my sister because they know more about cars than me. And I want this bitch so bad. I want it so bad. I'm finna sit up in the middle like a little kid. You stupid. And your parallel parking is gonna be super fucking easy because I got this right here. Oh my soul. You love this.
Bitch, I had to learn the hard way.
Bro ass testing it out. I need his expertise. I need my sister expertise.
Oh my bad.
This is nice. This bitch is
your
nice. It do.
Why you nailed it? What a guy! Girl, I'm so fucking excited.
Yeah, AC do work. It blow good heat.
Big bitch ain't gonna be hot. Stop it, bitch. My sister got AC and I'm calling my big sister. My show's gonna be parked. I'm gonna park at her house.
Shorty said she got more cars to sell. Okay, okay. Ooh, that
might be coming to her for my Tahoe.
She definitely did.
I don't see no sounds. I don't see no lights.
Right.
My brother ain't complaining.
He not complaining.
My sister ain't complaining.
That's why I said I need y'all with me. Shit. Okay. Okay.
Bro, look, as I said, my brother ain't complaining. Oh, hell yeah. Because you know, a man gonna complain. I'm over this bitch up. What's doing, bro? Like exactly.
Alright, so we getting it? Let's get it. Fuck it. Let's get it. Let me make this pay. Type shit, type shit. Type shit, type shit. Key. For my kids. I do this for my kids. Hey. Pay for in full. The next. Come on.
You don't have work today. Can I please go to
How
check?
you doing?
Huh? Go to check, please. Please, you don't have work
Okay,
today.
come here. Let me show you something, though. Come here.
I want to go too.
Come on. Honey, come on. Yeah. No.
You got the car for real? That's the actual car?
Yep.
Bro, what?
It's blue one right here.
You lying.
I'm not.
Actually got. That's so cool.
May be close. Call now to get
What
the
you think, my
justice
love?
closure and the financial settlement you
It's
deserve.
cool.
Even if it was 2 decades ago, call our juvenile detention sexual abuse help.
Yes, we're doing just ballin', tryna keep a bill straight, stacking, never fallin'. Caddy on the Lex, tryna hit the next plateau. Flexin' with the road, drop a drill and go. I was smoking beans and dying cocoa. Got the pimps in my soul, so I pimp to 'em. Oh, hold on for a minute, let me call my, you know. Yes,
there I go, stepping up out the caddies. Boy, Lexus, on Lexus, doing my thing. Trying to hit the next plateau, just ballin'. Flexing with the road, drop a jewel and go. Smoking beans, Dr. Popo's all I can do.